Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today TV. Late 2021, that's late December 2021, Governor Hope Uzodinma had promised Nigerians that he will release the names of those sponsoring unrest in Imo State. Fast forward to today, Nigerians were quite anticipating the names. Alas, we didn't get the full details of the names. I guess there may be a rethink one way or the other. But right now, it looks like Governor Hope Uzodinma may get a bit jittery on his seat because things are happening against him, not actually in his favor at all, as there are groups and international bodies have decided to do this against him. But before we go to the news proper, like you subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Well, a right group has threatened to facilitate a ban against Imo State Governor Senator Hope Uzodinma and his family. That's a visa ban. According to the group, the security situation in the southeast the state is a result of the governor's bad leadership. The group also stated that it is working with relevant authorities to ensure that justice is done against those allegedly opposed or those allegedly oppressed by the Uzodinma administration. The Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, the International Human Rights Commission, IHRC, has threatened to facilitate a visa ban on Governor Hope Uzodinma and his family. The commission made its plan known in a statement sent to Legit by Ambassador Friday Sani, IHRC country head ambassador for West African countries. Well, according to Ambassador Sani, he stated that the commission will act on the petition concerning the situation in Imo. The commission was reacting to the recent incident in Imo State where police operatives stormed the church and arrested a notable politician. The politician arrested, as Honorable Uche Nwosu, had claimed that the operatives were sent by Governor Hope Uzodinma. Ambassador Sani also lamented that several lives have been lost in Imo State in recent times, adding that in August 2021, he led a delegation to the state to assess the situation. He added, having gotten more pieces of evidence against the illegal activities of some police officers in Imo State, with particular reference to those serving in government house, I am now well equipped to submit my report to the Inspector General of Police, he said. Our organization finds it difficult to believe that worship centers could experience such an uncivilized attack that took place in Imo State. However, we appeal to the petitioners to keep calm and allow us to carry on with the relevant actions. This is to serve as a deterrent to others, and I enjoin Nigerians to continue to report human rights violations to the International Human Rights Commission. Okorocha accuses Hope Uzodinma of complicity in Uche's arrest. Recall also that Senator Rochas Okorocha on Tuesday, December 28th, suggested elements described as UGM, that's unknown gunmen, in Imo State are police operatives from Government House, Owerri. Okorocha, a former governor of Imo State, made the allegation while speaking to Channel Television in reaction to the arrest of Nwosu. Nwosu, a son-in-law to Okorocha, served as the former governor's chief of staff and former secretary to the state government. Rochas Okorocha's earlier statement on Nwosu's arrest. Okorocha had earlier reacted to the arrest during a press briefing, accusing the police of arresting Nwosu without a warrant. He alleged that Governor Uzodinma deceived the Inspector General of Police, Usman Baba, to arrest Nwosu. Condemning the way his son-in-law was picked up, he said his wife Nkechi was pushed down, while his first daughter's clothes were torn to pieces. My God, this is quite strong and it's quite indicting. And now, right now, the group has gone ahead to write a petition to the international organization, and they're asking for one thing, that all through their life, all through their stay, they've never seen or heard no matter whose government is it, everybody understands the dynamics of a place of worship, and no matter who you are, what your offenses are, it's always never done. Arrest is never effected in the place of worship. It's always, and according to even the group, they said there was no, according to Rochas, Okorocha, there was no warrant to that effect. But the group felt that some of the aggrieved parties were actually thinking of, causing more harm and all that. They said, look, don't do anything, that will bring unnecessary tension to the state. But what they intend to do is to petition, and they have sent their petition already. But they don't want it to stop only in Governor Hope Uzodinma alone. They want even his family members not to access visa. But don't forget, very quickly, that still what we call the immunity clause. According to the group, they say they've gotten bits and pieces of information and evidences to show that Governor Hope Uzodinma's have some persons who are also not going in line with human rights. According to the group, also they have the opinion that that this group or this security agents being used by Governor Hope Uzodinma are violating human rights. Taking a case study of what happened with Uche, Nwosu in church, and they're saying that no matter who is governing, no matter the leadership, that style of leadership was what was they were calling forth, and that it was wrong. But we're going to take cross section of what people are saying here, because a lot of Nigerians have decided to react to this. This one here is saying, but of course now somebody who was brought in by the Supreme Court, what do you expect? This one here is saying, whether he likes it or not, whatever he reaps, whatever he's, okay, I think what he wants to write is whatever he sows, he will reap. This one here is saying, it's the usual way. Okorocha did his own. Now, Uzodinma have decided to increase his tempo. I think the best way out is to ensure that human rights are observed. Human rights organizations should come forth and stop this circle, or else it is the citizens that will pay the price. Okay, this one here is saying visa ban is not strong enough. Other things should be employed to this. Imolites are suffering. The level of insecurity is not something that one should encourage. Let peace reign and let love rule. Okay. This one here is saying, for how long? If this visa ban will be true, please let's extend it to other governors and other politicians as well. Come on. Okay, but Nigerians are generally talking about the level of insecurity going on in the state, and they're insisting that if it should be done, let it not just be lip services alone, let it be effective. Don't forget that Governor Hope Uzodinma is still the governor of Imo State. There's still that immunity clause here and there. Well, depending on which stand you're on, visa ban, it depends on if he travels outside the country. Most often than not, he goes out of the state to Abuja, but travel out of the country may be optional. So the visa ban may not have much effect on him now if you want to go by it. Maybe afterwards. Let's go wrap it up. Let's meet in that comment section. What's your take? Do have a nice time. God bless you.